Codex is well suited to long-running tasks, but once a task moves through analysis, implementation, and testing, users cannot keep watching the screen. What matters is not every log line, it is the change of stage, a permission request, and whether the task actually finished. This is a working Mac OS hook. The repository includes the Python implementation, project hook configuration, and a pinned HTTPS dependency. Create a virtual environment, install the requirements, then copy hooks.project_backup.json to hooks.json. Reopen the project, review and trust the hook, and Codex can announce 4 lifecycle events. Now the repository hook is running through the event chain used by a real Codex task. User prompt submit produces the start announcement. A post tool use event from update plan reads only the current in progress step and announces the stage change. File edits generate a short progress message without reading the patch. Permission request produces a direct queue to check the screen, while keeping the request itself private. Finally, stop reads the session state and announces completion with the number of tool operations. These messages come from the checked-in Python script, using the checked-in hook configuration. The event names, spoken text, state transitions, and tool count shown here match the implementation that was installed and exercised before this video was rebuilt. Before speech, an in-progress stage is normalized and checked against the configured sensitive word list. A stage containing password, secret, token, key, or credential is not announced. Any URL in an allowed stage is replaced with the words related resource. Messages are appended to a session-level JSON lines queue under a file lock. A detached worker drains that queue in order, and synthesis or playback failures are logged without blocking Codex. Codex was the development environment and execution agent. It inspected the repository, edited the hook and configuration, installed dependencies, simulated lifecycle events, and checked failures. GPT 5.6 Soul supplied the reasoning used inside Codex to map events, shape the announcement policy, define privacy boundaries, and diagnose queue races. The developer confirmed the product decisions, Mac OS first, Chinese status summaries, and no prompt or tool output playback. The public repository includes the hook script, configuration, pinned dependency, and install guide. It supports Mac OS with Python 3.9 or newer. For a quick check, run the readme's manual user prompt submit event and inspect the session log if audio is unavailable.